Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error 0x80004005 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video for the resolution. So the first solution will be to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It's very easy. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu. Now go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The second solution is to delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders, and don't do it using the traditional command prompt method. Here's how you can do it. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Now click on OK and then click on cleanup system files. And it will select the drive and it will start cleaning up system files. Now wait in the scanning till it says Windows Update Cleanup. When it said Windows Update Cleanup, it deleted the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. In the next step, check all of these boxes here and click on OK and then click on Delete Files. This will delete all temporary files on your system. So this is the easiest method to delete temporary files in prefetch and all. The next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Check for Updates. The last solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. In the elevated command prompt window, type the command SFC space /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.